Welcome all to my life movie and the vlogs outdoors. Beautiful place. Tyler's in the bathroom, porta potties. Alright, so, anyways, we're out here and I'll take y'all over here real quick. Oh god. We're over here at Grassy Waters Preserve. No fishing, no hunting, no watercraft, no pets, no horses, no motorized vehicles, no collecting plants or animals. You good?
I survived!
Shit stink.
No, it actually smells beautiful.
I ain't even doubt anybody haven't used that shit in a while though.
Dude, it's disgusting in there.
No pets. That's a big no.
No pets.
I'm guessing all the other shit. No hunting.
I survived.
Yeah, right. It's just fine. Alright, let's take the trails.
At least there's toilet paper in there this time.
Yep. So what we got here? Trail. Oh, we got snakes in this fucking trail. Photo. Red blaze. Green corn. Okay. You got gators, of course.
Yeah,
There's a swamp in here somewhere. I hope there was no snake on this. Oh, this area is currently closed due to weather. Bitch, please. Wildlife trails developed in the city. I don't know. I don't see nothing wrong with it.
A little further out.
What they said we can't at all. The access will be restored as trails. Blah 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 blah. Safe for public use. It says closed, but it doesn't say we're not allowed to. We came up on a trail. I don't see what's wrong with the trail. I already know so far.
Did we fall through?
Yeah, the fucking thing collapsed. Well, I think I see why. The water was a rise at one point.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
What's that?
Wow, it's such a beautiful fucking place, man. I bet you there's a gator sitting right here somewhere. Yeah, the water was raised up. It was covering the docks.
Could be a gator in here.
There ain't no doubt. Look at that over there.
What the hell?
What is
Oh,
that?
yeah, you can't go over there now.
Yeah.
It's flooded.
Yeah, you can't walk over there.
Wait, don't go further in. Yep.
Oh wow, that's not that bad. Stay on the side.
Looks like you can put your go here with a dirt bike.
The only thing I'm scared of is a gator walking up on the trail.
Yeah. Look at that.
Make
Don't
it
wanna
through.
go through?
Someone went through. Holy shit, the wind just picked up. Someone went through with a bicycle, even though you're not allowed to. Dude, imagine this place at fucking night.
Fuck that.
Damn, the water's like really close, dude. A gator could easily be hidden here.
It's a bad idea.
The trail's not even that bad, so I don't know why they closed it.
The alligator.
I think they forgot to come back and take that. Oh, shit. Damn, straight down, dude.
Get your dirt bike here.
Oh, I have way too much fun. I'm telling you, I heard something over there. I'm not kidding. That shit scared the living shit out. I backed up. I didn't want to be near the edge. I know, it scared me more because I was right next to it. Wow. Whoa. It went like that because of fucking bug. Wow. So nice out here, man.
Oh, I can't do it.
Had a speed.
Huh. Echo.
I can't whistle at all right now. Damn. Someone went through here with their bicycles, man. They are having fun.
Dirt bike.
It's flooded the rest of the way. Oh, time to head back.
Go a different way.
Yeah, there's more trails. So, we'll see you guys when we get back to the other side. Because we don't know when. Where'd he go? Damn. Off my screen.
What kind of snake is it? It's really...
I don't know. But I really don't want to find out.
I want to find out.
I don't know if it's poisonous or not. That's the one thing. I think it's a black racer, but I'm not too sure.
Ah, fuck you. Catch it.
Fuck that. I'm not no damn snake catcher. I saw that shit from the corner of my fucking eye.
Yeah, canoe. Kayak.
Fucking airboat. You go right through this shit, no problem.
That'd be awesome.
I don't believe I spot that snake out of nowhere. Yeah, frog eggs or something. Alright, let's walk on this side. Oh god, don't sink. I got a lot of weight going on this. Okay. We're good. We're good. We're good. Beautiful out here.
You see that thing right there? Freedom.
Alright, we're back from the closed. It was closed for a mile. It's drying up, so that makes sense. We're not even through the whole fuck thing yet. We just started. Alright, let's see.
What's this?
I don't know. Let's take a look. Wow, they need to redo these.
Damn, lots of pioneer stuff.
Those who walk before you. Yeah, no, the tribes went out here.
Where's the thing? The monkey.
Such a beautiful place.
Climb the tree. Hi. Feel like a monkey. Just want to go climb a fucking tree.
Yeah. Squirrel.
I was like, what the hell do you see?
There you go.
See a squirrel. You see those every day.
Yeah. Woo!
Holy shit.
Motherfucking quick. Motherfucking quick. You don't play. Somebody been walking through here.
Huh?
How do you notice all the like sand and shit been dug up?
Yeah.
Like
Crazy.
something's digging them up.
That's creepy.
Usually things I know that do. Damn, you can't even fucking read this shit.
You need to redo this shit. So I heard that.
Can't fucking read that shit at all, man. Yeah, we should have worn shoes, but we weren't really planning on doing this today. We were just riding around doing things.
Yes.
And I haven't been in here yet, so
It looks cool.
it's fine. I was born and raised here.
You never knew that.
I never, ever been in this place at all. Not even once.
Right.
So, might as well make a best of it.
Just found this.
Look, a fucking off trail.
What that way first?
Let's take that off trail. I'm not going through those snakes.
Just a little trail.
Off the trail, shall we?
Well, of course. Dirt bikes.
They burnt the damn tree.
Mm-hmm.
They cut it and burnt it so it doesn't grow back. I'm guessing that's what that does. See how far this goes, shall we? Damn. It went through a fucking dead end.
What in the world?
I mean, people do walk through here, but I'm not walking through there.
There's no point of it.
Wow.
Well, at least we checked.
Alright.
I'm getting my exercise.
So that shit was a dead end. Nice, people.
The end of the road.
That's all there is? No, there's trails leading that way too. Well, we made it to the other end.
Good exercise though.
Yeah, here's this end.
Right now.
We walk. He walks all the way around, and there's the goddamn place where we started. Kidding me? So yeah, we went around.
It was a circle.
But there is another trail down here somewhere, so we're gonna walk to that trail. And we'll see what happens from there. Another trail right here. You stay here, I want to test this out. Oh god. Yeah, let's walk through the damn place where I saw snakes. Yeah. Smart idea, William. Yeah. You're hella smart for doing this. Ow. Bitch. I hope there's no snakes on these trees. Yo! Come on! Here goes the bigger trail. There goes the bigger trail.
Just be like that, like fucking.
Where the fuck does this shit go?
Wait a minute.
No, we did not. No, we fucking did not.
Yeah, we did.
Did we seriously? Hold up.
We did.
Son of a fucking bitch, it was the goddamn dead end. Son of a, I knew that trail went somewhere. Fuck.
I know I saw something. There was a freaking road right there.
Whatever. Screw it. Let's go back. So this fucking trail is the same one we went on. It was
Wait a minute. Tree.
dead end. What the fuck, man? People making extra trails, screwing us up. Alright, we're walking on a trail to get to the other one, which is down there.
That was funny.
Nasty ass water.
Drink it.
It looked like someone walked through there, just go around here. Huh. Get foot. So there's another trail right here, but it looks muddy.
Yeah.
And we got sandals. So yeah, it's a no-go. Yeah, let's head that way. We're all good if we go that way. We're wearing sandals. Our sandals gonna be lost if we go through there. I'm just saying. Yeah, it's on that burnout here. That's why they have fucking cops come through here all the time. Because of people. Alright, here's the trail. The sign doesn't say anything, I don't see.
Take the sign.
It's probably on the other side. I mean, it used to be something on the sign, but not anymore. Not even on the other side either. Alright.
Hey, next to the road.
Yeah, right next to the damn road. There's that van that was parked there. The only motherfucker that was parked.
Yeah.
Just keep on going. Alright. We're almost at the end and we're going down the canal. You got a trail right here. I'll take a little peek. Damn. Tractors went through here. Looks like it goes in there somewhere.
Yeah, I ain't gonna do it.
But I'm wearing sandals. I don't feel like going through all that. Yeah, it's pretty far walk. I wish we had fucking. I like to ride all the way down there.
Yeah, a car.
You know, you can't get through because the damn gate's locked.
Let's go.
Let's turn. Okay, I just saw a cop went down the road to turn, and he might have turned inside the place. So, see if we get arrested by him. Hopefully not, because we're not doing nothing wrong. We're just riding.
Gate's open.
Yeah, it's open to the public, and we're allowed to be in here. We're just walking. We didn't walk all the way down there because that's just a long ass walk. Now I don't see nothing down there, so yeah, not doing that. So let's see what the cop has to say. All right, what's the point of this side fucking trail? It leads all the way to the fucking gate, and you have to turn around and come through here anyway. So okay. Okay, cops usually ride through here just to check it out for anybody doing stupid shit. So I don't think we're gonna be harassed by anything because that's what they do. Oh, someone else just pulled in. Some people do come in here. It's a nice place. I like it. So we're gonna have to walk all the way back down to my car. Motherfucker almost bust his ass down into the swamp. No, it's not the sidewalk. Or you can't walk like that on with sandals. Oh well. I wonder where that cop went. He was turning. I don't know if he just turned to go down. I didn't see him come back down the road, so either that or he's parked over here waiting for us to come back to the car. We'll see. He probably has a fucking newspaper and shit.
I would never use the bulldog I did that time.
Well, yeah.
I had to go.
I mean, if you have to go, you gotta go.
But
You know?
the toilet seats are disgusting.
I know, that's why you bring your own fucking wipes. We'll see. Question is, why is this car parked here?
It says no parking.
Oh, right here's the bus. Alright, this guy is just sitting on a bench. He's doing nothing. Alright guys, made it back to the car. I didn't get it on the video. Yeah, I know. But it's like a little mini trail right here. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's a good workout, good walk. Even though I did it, I almost touched it. See the handprint went like that? I almost touched the shit. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's a nice workout, even though I do that shit every day at work. I walk around all fucking day. But it's different. We're walking out in Mother Nature. It's inside the building, and it's hot inside the building. I want to come back for that trail that's closed so we can go further out because the rest of these just go right here. They don't go far. That one goes far out. So hope you guys enjoy it. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit my boy up right here on his YouTube. He's been making videos, so it'll be alright. Trying to make him do vlogs so he do a little more videos, but
nobody wants to go.